Yes, once again the fringe right and the fringe left serve each other's interests by creating a circular feedback loop, by contriving a phony moral panic over something that's completely absurd and meaningless. So groups like Right Wing Watch actually do the bidding of the far right by manifesting the reality the far right desires. Now the OK hand sign is racist, now frogs are racist, and clowns are racist. It's not just edgy banter, Nazis are everywhere, and the only way to stop them is by donating to Right Wing Watch.
There's money to be made. This is a nonprofit that makes money through donations. So of course, the only way the nonprofit can survive is by convincing you there is something going on, a threat that you need to know about. Have you seen a clown in a globe on Twitter? Perhaps you didn't realize it was actually a white nationalist. You should donate.
And as ever with these contrived moral panics, some on the left are taking it deadly seriously.
You really thought that you could take a symbol of positivity and turn it in to a racist symbol? Well, you can't, because he's mine now, bitches! Pepe's mine! He's mine! I have been diagnosed with depression.
Surprise, motherfucker.